Welcome to our new presentation video. Today we'll show you our newest feature called Email Status. The function of this feature is to show you the current status of the sent invoices like pending, delivered or not sent. Now, let's activate the status. In order to do so, go to Invoices and then click Customize Table Rows. At the bottom of the drop-down menu, you will find checkbox for email status. Make sure it's checked and then hit the Apply button. Let's see the result of our actions. As you can see, we've added email status as the last column. You can also add Sent To for even more comprehensive tracking. I'm sure you'll find this feature useful. Thanks for watching and see you soon for more and more new features and functionalities.